What I think I do very well is I look at any kind of operation. I like to dissect that operation and see what things can I do better. But it's not just a hopeful thought of, I could go ahead and do this better, I should do this better, but to find out how you could do it better. So there's a difference, why certain businesses they flourish and others don't, is because you have to be able to look at that operation in a very methodical way and find out what things could always improve. And so every single Friday at my firm, what I do is I ask the entire staff, I say, let's take about 15, 20 minutes, and I want you to give me feedback on what can be done to improve the operation. It's very, very important because once you think that you're on top of the hill, that's when you start going down. And so what I always have a mentality and focus is, I need to always improve, always improve, always improve. And I think with that philosophy and mindset, I'm able to always constantly improving. So I'll be like this now, 20 years from now, I'll still have that same mindset. In my firm, even if you've been here for a few months, or whether you've been here for a few years, the way that you look at certain things could differ. But I want to hear that to find out what things can be improved. And I think that's what sets us apart, because I look at our firm as something that constantly needs to improve. The essence of lawyers, in my opinion, is being able to identify you learn about a situation, but you're able to identify what the issue is. And then you find out what is the best and most effective way to get a proper resolution. How am I able to go ahead and help out the quickest and most efficiently? And that's why actually people like to become lawyers. It's because how can I be the most help with the resources that I have? And how do I help out that person the best and quickest way? And I think lawyers are problem solvers, and they feed off of being able to solve problems, impact lives, and help out people. If you feel like you can do something, have a concrete dream about that. So if you imagine yourself being a lawyer, don't just think about that in theory. Really have a good concrete plan about that and just execute. It's a joy because unlike medical school, for example, where you have to have a science degree before you go into medical school, you don't have to have any of that for law school, because law it goes through every single section: immigration, corporate, personal injury, tax, anything that you can think about. There's every single aspect of law that lawyers could help in. But it's, what do I really like to do? And then how can I, as a lawyer, make that thing better? And so I think if you think it in that terms, then it's really beneficial, and you can actually fulfill your dreams a lot.